Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'll talk about a BTC. Bitcoin hit the new all-time high. What next? Let's dive in. Right, guys. Today I explain it in the Telegram channel. So for me, everything what's going on now with the BTC, it's kind of strange and it's kind of bad. Why? Because of seasonality. Yes, this time can be different, and I hope we will not see the sell in May and go away even, right? But we are still in May, and next 3 months it's the summer, so usually it's a not so volatile market. But I hope this time again and again the BTC will show us something new. You know, to break the old, absolutely useless historical patterns, because the people stuck in some historical patterns which they think repeat itself over and over again. But BTC never hit the new all-time high before the halving. We did it. We never seen the Bitcoin ETF with spot with so huge institution like BlackRock, you know, and BTC this time we got that institutional on the board. We never seen the BTC drop on the previous all-time high. We did it in 2022. So a lot of patterns we just destroyed. And another pattern, so there's some big guys like CryptoQuant, they share the idea. This is a top of the top analytics, and they share the idea. So after the one all-time high, we need to go through the, I don't know, maybe 238 days or 118 days to hit the new all-time high. We just hit faster new all-time high. So the patterns, it's just the patterns, you know. So the history, it's just a history, it's just a stat, right? But what's kind of bad now, we can sweep just all-time high like in 2021 and going down for the next 3 months down for BTC. This is kind of scary scenario, because BTC dominance so high. BTC hit the new all-time high. Everybody like in euphoria, but not that much. I don't see any crazy tweets now or something different on the market. What I didn't see the last five months, for example. Everybody's still talking about 150, 100, 200, 300, 500 for BTC, 1 million for BTC. It's kind of random stuff, right? That's why my conservative price target for BTC is still the same. It's 139. When? I have no idea. By logic, you know, it can be that September 2025. So yes, this summer, if this summer is going to be green, it can be this moment and down. One take. Next step, of course, 183K. Also possible. The good moment, finally with all of these patterns, we realize we can't predict the timing. So we can know potential, the target, but we can't know the time. It's a good one. Another example here, I thought we should drop to 92K around here. Here, I shared the video. I wait the 91,900, 92K 700 to close this gap, but we stop it at 93,600. And this is one more great example. Not all gaps should be closed immediately. Here it's a BTC 1 daily time frame CMA. Here we leave the gap in November 2024, and imagine we come back and close that gap after the, let me show you, after 100 days. So let's say this is a gap, 100 days. It can be here. It can be end of or beginning of August, right? So yes, if we can't know, guys, we can't know this time what will happen next with the BTC. If this time totally different, right? And you know, we will see the green summer and the red autumn. Here we sweep the high, we hold the line. Everybody now in a long position because of its logic. So we break on the daily time frame the all-time high. We close, and we should close this daily candle higher than previous all-time high. for everybody who trade a classic TA, it's going to be like a confirmation, logical confirmation. We move higher. The problem is, here's the open space. We can't know where the market makers will stop this talking. We can't know. There's zero ideas. There zero resistance. Nothing. My take is buy FIB 2.61 is 139,543. Why this FIB? Why this level? Because here I track the BTC with this FIB since top of the top, November 21. This one you can find, and you remember all of these videos about a BTC. But it's kind of strange because of timing. Guys. What we can see next? Next, bearish one. Bullish one is here. The scenario. Bearish one, guys. It's a drop once again to 94. 1.61 level FIB this summer. 92 closed the gap. Test the yearly open. We already tested. Yes, 100%. We already tested. But I don't like we're hit the all-time high again in May. If it could be the, I don't know, June or September or I don't know, December, it would be much more better. But now we trade it in May, by end of May. And usually, yes, it can play out like a kind of bad scenario. Here, this was also May. We drop. Of course, I'm not a fan, guys, of patterns here. May, drop, not a big one. Here's a June, May, drop. Here's a May, April, May, drop. This is what kind of scary. And yes, we just sweep the all-time high. When we leave it here in January, it's only 5. And it's kind of bad. This is what I don't like. 12-hour time frame. Same story, guys. We can drop to the weekly open, monthly, yearly. We tested several times at the yearly open, but for me, it's kind of scary. All right. Another story. What will be with altcoins? This is a question. This is a real question. What will be with the altcoins? Because market can drop so hard, and if BTC dominance will be so high or more than 65%, I can't even imagine what will be with the alts. So I hope everything will be okay, but we have to be ready for any case scenario. Guys, let's take a look with indicator set. Daily. This guy, we guys take a look. We formed the divergence. This one more kind of bad moment here. We hit the divergence since the top of in April on the daily. 1, 2, 3. And this is a pure divergence on a daily time frame. We are trading Aphria on market smooth on the daily. We traded in the zone of fixation profit. Last time we traded here, long time period we traded here. October till last one in December. That's why I wish to see the summer green, right? Definitely. Weekly time frame, guys. Here is a top. Here's another top, and of course this week still ongoing, but we start forming the divergence on a weekly. It's kind of bad. Good moments, direction, no signals to sell yet. Still Aphria. Kind of bad. So I can't say now something bullish for BTC. Right, of course, at 75, at 70, at 80, it was more bullish than now. Money power, guys, take a look. Money outflow here, money outflow. This week it's money outflow, so the whales to fix profit. Some whales can fix, some not. What is good? Fine, at least on the monthly, we not see the money outflow. That's why it's one more reason why we can see the new all-time high in the spring, or not a spring, in the summer. So this is the best one. This is the best case scenario if we will see the spring, not a spring, the summer. Yes, now it's a spring, but in summer, a continuation in summer. And then after that, the autumn can be drop, right? But what will be the top? It's hard to say, 139 or 183. Now on a monthly, no signal to sell yet. So institutional still buying. Yes, because the BTC lagging and get a lag like in timing, like 70 days or 90 days. If we compare the M2, the money liquidity. Trade on. sell, drop. Now no signal to sell yet. Weekly, sell, drop, buy back, no signal to close position or recommendation close position. Let's add alerts. Let's add alerts for that one. For sell or recommendation close position. Let's triangle down on the weekly. Let's see. Take profit, guys, the last indicator. Yes, we trade way over exit line weekly. Kind of bad. It's not a bullish one. And if we talk about potential of BTC, it's like 26%. Take buy line now on the weekly for BTC is 45K. Of course, I'm not talking about a 45K for BTC, but here also on the weekly it can be, right? I like this one. Like 3 drives pattern, all of that story. So yes, it can be till end of August. Pump and top of the top, 3 drives pattern on the weekly. Monthly time frame, guys, take a look. Also, here, tested the exit line above, bounce, drop. We trade so high over the exit line. Wow, it's kind of bad. It's kind of bad, but it can be this move. And for example, I don't know. It's hard to say where the next time the BTC will stop. 50K, 42K, 35. It's hard to say, but it can be like this move. Daily, of course, here. Take profit line on the daily now, it's 119K. So let's add alert also to the 100 to take profit line. Here, take profit line, daily time frame. Exit line 134K, so around 2.61 level FEEP. A buy line on the daily is 60, and I don't think so, we'll drop it. Here, the take profit line on the 12 time frame, it's 125. Exit line 141K. So this is it, guys. So I wish to see the BTC this summer green, some sideways, and the last impulse to 139 and 500. But the question is still open. What we'll see is what will be with the altcoins. So that's a question. So guys, like conclusion, yes, I open it 2 times short, 1 stop losses, 1 take profit to close the short because kind of risky. Open shorts now because we can't know where the BTC will stop. A logical short can be at the take profit line, exit line, and 2.61 low by FIB. So I'm waiting. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write plus in a comment what do you think about a BTC now. Are we going to 95K again, or we go straight to 125, 139? If you would like to trade with my custom markets, what I showed in this video, just write me a DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget your Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.